Hello everyone, welcome to ChamiViews. Today we are going to discuss about the clauses. In the previous video we have discussed about the anonymous functions. Now you already know goes about anonymous functions, which can form clauses, right? Today's topic is clauses. I will explain you what is clauses and those things. In this topic, mainly depend on the anonymous functions, right? Now you know anonymous functions are useful when you want to define a function inline without having the name it, right? In here we have did some example. In here, if you want to call immediately to this function, how we can do that? We can pass 3, 5 in this way, right? In this way we can immediately pass the parameters to here, and we can remove this head now. Now we run this one. It will return some value, right? You can't see that one. I am creating some variable like in this way, and print that one here, and then return it. In here I am remove the return. Okay, now I will run this one. This is the output, right? Using this way we can immediately call to that function, right? This one is totally dependent on the previous video. Okay, today we are going to discuss about the clauses. I will create a function called func abc, right? This is a function, and I will return another function here, right? I will return another function here. Func return type is int. In here we can do anything. I will create a variable called I, and then I can return. In here what I want to return in the function, right? In here I will increase the I by 2 and then return, right? In here you can see I have created a function called abc that will return another function, right? In here we are defining that function in anonymously, right? The return function processes over the variable I, right? Variable I to perform a closure. In here it will closes over the variable I, right? Now I will call to the function abc, right? That will return another function, right? That will return another function. I assign that one to variable a, right? Okay, then this another function, right? If you want to call that one, I can simply call like in this way, right? Okay, what is the output now? Output is 2, right? When we are calling here, what it did, it assigned the I value to the 0, and then it returned I plus equal to value, right? If we call again, what happened? It increased the I value by 2, right? In here we will get a 4. Likewise, we can hold here, right? 2, 4, 6, right? In here, another important thing is it will maintain the state of the I, right? Because we are used the same variable here, and it will maintain a state, right? To confirm that the state is unique, I will create another variable, right? In this B ABC, and then I am printing fmt.println B. Now what is the output of B? It's 2, right? State is unique, right, to particular function. These are very important, right, when we are learning about the clauses, right? Clauses are very simple thing, right? I have teach you that one. If you have any question, please put your questions, right? Then I can answer to those things, right? And if you have learned watch new things, please subscribe to the channel, and please share this with your friend, right? We will meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye.